When it comes to your home, it's the details, the finishing touches that make all the difference. At Skirting For You, we manufacture skirting boards, architrave and more to your exact specification. You are in control of every element, be it the height, width or thickness. You even have the option to order fully finished, pre-painted products, which is so much more convenient than having to do it yourself, and a real time saver too. Order from Skirting For You and you won't have to settle for a generic, off-the-shelf product. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern, a more traditional or intricate profile, or even something to match a design you already have in your home, you can find the perfect skirting and architrave for your project right here. Don't forget, you can order samples of any of our designs, so you can experience the quality of our products and be confident in making the right choice before you buy. Buying new skirting boards and architrave probably isn't something you do very often, so we've made it our mission to make the whole process as easy and stress-free as possible. During the checkout process, you're able to pick your preferred date of delivery, so you'll know exactly when your order will arrive. You'll also receive updates at each stage of production, so you're always up to date with how your order is progressing. With over 3,000 positive reviews from people all over the country, whether you're a renovator, developer, interior designer or DIYer, we're confident you'll be delighted with our high-quality products and first-class customer service. Order your own custom-made skirting and architrave from Skirting For You today and finish your home in style.